Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Pavan. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python comments and Python keywords. So let's get started. So what are comments in Python? So comments are used to write description about application logics to understand the logics easily. So the main objective of comments or the code maintenance will become very easy, and the comments are non-executable code. So Python will ignore comments at runtime. So let us see how we can write comments in Python code. So we have two types of comments. So we can have a single line comment and we can have multiple line comments. Now let's see how we can do those comments. So there are two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. So single line comment, we can just use the hash symbol. And if you want to put multi-line comments, we can just use the triple quotes or a single quotes. So let us see how we can do that. Let me just open PyCharm. So here I'm going to create a new Python file. So I'll just name it as comments. Right. So I'll name it as a comments. Now, okay. Now in this file, so I'm just creating a few comments. Let's say this is the first comment. So start with the hash. So this is a single line comment. So this particular code will be ignored at the runtime. And similarly, I can just write multiple comments like this. But if you want to make a multi-line comment, like suppose I want to group all the statements as one comment, I can just go and use triple quotes like this. So within the triple quotes, I can write all the statements. Let's say statement 1, or let's say multiple comments you can write. Let's say comment 1, comment 2, comment 3, and so on. So these are all different comments I can write within. These are triple quotes. Okay, it's starting and this is the ending. Now we can also use single quotes, putting the multiple lines of comments. Let me just put here. So 3 single quotes, and within these single quotes also we can write multiple comments like comment 1 and comment 2 and comment 2, something like this. So these are all different comments, right? So now let's see how we can use these comments. So here I will write some statements. Let's say I'll just print some value. Let's say print this is Pavan, and this is one command, and here I will write single line command. Let's slash. Here I will write some command called this will print my name, right? And now I'll write one more command, and this time I will put multi-line commands. Let's say triple quotes, and here I will write some command. So below code will add 2 numbers. Okay, and this is the one more comment by using triple quotes, and here I will just write print, so 10 plus 20 plus and 30, right? So now execute this code as run comments file, and then you will see and this is the output for this particular statement, and 60 is output for this particular statement. And whatever code we have, whatever statements we have included in the codes comments, those particular statements are just ignored by the Python code. So single line statement, single line comment, and multi-line comment. So multi-line comments we can use either triple double quotes or triple single quotes, starting and ending. So this is all about comments. Now let's see keywords in Python. So there are two versions of Python. We have 2.x and 3.x. And if you want to know the keywords what are all available in 2.x, we can just use, we need to import the keyword package, and we can just print keyword.kwlist command. So this will give you all the keywords present in 2.x and also 3.x. So normally if you go for any programming languages, if you are getting the new versions, for example here, let us say I have one version called 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.3. So every time when you are releasing the newer versions, every time they will add some more keywords, right? So here it will add some more keywords, and 1.3 they will add one more keywords. For every language this is the same concept, but when you come to the Python, so every time they will release a new versions, like suppose let's say here 2.x and 3.x is released. Now when the Python is released a newer version, some keywords will be added and some keywords will be removed. Okay, Now let us see what are the different keywords available in 2.x and 3.x. So let me first show you the 3.x because I have installed 3.x in my system by using PyCharm. I'll show you. So let me just create one more file, Python file. So here I will just write keywords and OK. Now here, if you want to see what are all keywords are supported by Python 3.x, we can just write a message like we need to import a package called import keyword, and in this package we have a keyword, we have a command called, let's say, print keyword dot kw list. So this will exactly give you what are all keywords present in the Python. So here I will write a command. So this command prints all the keywords supported by Python 3.x. Okay, all 3. Versions. So let me just run this code and it will give you these are the supported keywords. Okay, these are the false, none, true. These are the supported keywords by Python 3.x. And if I see Python 2.x, maybe the same keywords may not support, or some keywords will not be there, and some keywords may add it in the 3.x. Now, the same command, if I run in 2.x, if you go and I don't have 2.x Python here, I will just use a online compiler. So this is a REPL.it, which is online compiler. So here I will write the same command, right? So now when I run this code and it will give you what are the keywords available in Python 2.x. Now here one difference we need to observe is in Python 3.x, for the print command, the parentheses are mandatory. Okay, for the print command, parentheses are mandatory. But when you come to the 2.x, here print command are optional. So parentheses are optional. Let me just remove this parentheses. I'll put that into double quotes. So don't put any double quotes. Just I remove the parentheses here. Okay. Now print keyword dot klist. Now let's run this again. So this will give you also all the keywords. Now what we have understood here is in Python 2.x, we don't need to put any parentheses. Okay, parentheses are optional. But in 3.x, for print command, we must put the parentheses here. And these are the list of keywords which are present in Python 2.x. And these are the list of keywords present in Python 3.x. Now we will see what are the different keywords are newly added and what are the keywords are removed. Now, if we see here, the print command just now we have used, right? So print command, if you see in the 2.x, there is a keyword. So this is a keyword. But in 3.x, we don't find a print command as a keyword here, right? So that is not there. So that's completely removed. But they have created this print as a method. Let's say a function like this. They have removed this print as a keyword. And similarly, this print keyword is in 2.x we have this keyword, and 3.x we have completely removed this print keyword, and instead of this we have print function. And similarly in 3.x these are the new keywords are added: false, none, true, and these keywords are not present in Python 2.x. So what does it mean is, in Python, if any new versions are released, some keywords may be added and some keywords will be removed from the older versions. So that is always there. Okay. Now these are all about comments and keywords in Python. So that's all for with this video. So please subscribe my channel so to get more updates on this. Thank you all.